Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Cancer, let's see what's happening in your love life, or whatever else wants to show through today for you. Let's begin your reading and see what are the energies my Cancer is going through. Spirit guides, angels, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, as always, we are going to start with a blessing from our angels to top the reading and see what my angels have for you, and then we'll start your reading. So my angels, what do you have for Cancer, please? A blessing or an advice card for my Cancer gang? Blessing or an advice card? So the card which is calling me is this one, Cancer. Let's put the rest back. So the card we have for you, Cancer, right now is you found it. What has Cancer found? I wonder. Let's open the rest of the cards and find out. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So this is going to be a small 9-card spread, Cancer, to check on how you guys are doing. If you need a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can email me there. So let's see, what has Cancer found? Some answers you were looking for? I don't know, because I still see a lot of confusion here, Cancer. Somebody is confused here, or maybe there are too many options that you're dealing with. Let's see. Chariot, 2 of Pentacles, and the 6 of Cups. 2 of Wands, 6 of Wands, and the King of Cups in reverse. The Emperor, Ace of Wands in reverse, and the 3 of Cups in reverse. Yes, this is somebody from your past that you're dealing with here, Cancer. Maybe they have returned back to your life, or they want to return back to your life. You're really not sure whether it's crossed by this card, which is the reunion card. So you're really not sure whether you are looking forward to this reconciliation or not. You feel that this person never really brings justice to your life. Even though they may be wanting to return to your life, you are still a little unsure. I see you going back and forth in your mind regarding this person. Still at crossroads, and there is a possibility of a tower moment when this person comes back. So let's clarify this and see. Why is the Chariot here, Spirit? Why is the Chariot here? You find this person very immature, basically, Cancer. You feel, is it really worth a reconciliation? Because this person brings trouble to me, it never brings balance to my life. Keeps me always juggling, going back and forth in my mind. Now the memories created by this soulmate of yours, Cancer, with the 6 of Cups in reverse energy are not the greatest, right? This person has kind of in the past done certain things which hasn't left you thinking about them in the best light. And you're a little confused here as to what you should do. So what's this Tower moment, Spirit? What's this Tower moment for Cancer? It's probably that you are quite tired of this person, because they never bring any clarity to your life. And even though you want to give up on them, this person just keeps coming back with the same kind of energy. This is immature, this is rash, this is childlike, this is sometimes the in and out person who is never brings you stability, right? You want to drop this burden altogether. You want to speak about it, but I don't think you have yet been able to. You're still at crossroads here. You're still thinking of the best, wisest possible way that you can find victory, right? Being with this person sometimes makes you feel a little ungrounded here, and that's the reason you are now at crossroads as to what is going to bring me victory. You want to get over all this confusion. This is the same card I had right in the beginning also. You feel very confused with this person. You don't know whether you should go ahead with them, whether you should leave them out. They don't give you that sense of security. And that's the reason you remain confused, and you're really wanting now to make a choice here, a choice which will make you feel victorious. Yes, the victory card is clarified by the victory card, right? This is what you're aiming for, but you're a little hesitant. You don't know whether you can achieve it because you feel this person is a bit emotionally manipulative, even though they come across as somebody who loves you or who wants to do the right things for you, wants to take charge of you. It doesn't give you that sense of control. Yeah, you feel I have to make a decision now regarding this, whether I want to move ahead with this person or not, right? This is a hard decision you're having to make. Who's this King of Cups spirit? Why are they here? You feel this King of Cups is a little emotionally manipulative. You have to keep giving to them. Maybe they come to you because they want from you, and it doesn't really help you move in a direction which is good for you. And they are quite happy with you, though. They see you as single, abundant. They want to come to you with a love offer or an apology. But again, the King of Cups is here, which is a manipulative person. This is somebody who doesn't really bring healing or any forward movement in your life, right? I see somebody here wanting to take back charge, take back control of their life. Yes, you're feeling a bit stressed out here. You feel the only way you can achieve victory is if you can kind of take back your power, take back your control, because this person gives you a lot of burden, leaves you feeling very overburdened, and you're almost on the verge of telling them, hey, I can't do this anymore, I have to bring it to a halt, I don't feel the same way about you maybe, and I don't want to reconcile anymore with you, right? But you feel this person is a kind of a trickster, right? They bring illusions, they say things, but there is no forward movement here. So Ace of Wands spirit, Ace of Wands. Yes, this person leaves you feeling a bit restless. Each time they come back for a rebirth or a restart with you, they make you feel as if you're the loser. You feel that you lose each time this person enters your life, and this makes you a bit restless. Three of Cups. Three of Cups. Right now, Cancer, you're in a self-imposed prison of your own. You are not very happy by the way things are going. You find this person a bit immature, yes, and this stresses you out. You are just waiting for some divine intervention where things can finally move in your favor, for a stroke of good luck. Why is the Wheel of Fortune here, Spirit? Yes, you're just trying to keep yourself strong till things can, maybe by the grace of the universe, change on their own. This last chapter or chapters of your life with this person has told you that this is not ever going to bring you the fruition that you want in your life. So, yes, you want to now pull back your love, you want to pull back your energy, you want to come back in your strength once again, because this person makes you really angry and frustrated and upset. So what's the advice for my Cancer? What should my Cancer do in a situation like this, Spirit? What should my Cancer do? Advice for Cancer, please. Advice for Cancer. Advice for Cancer. Oops. Spirit is saying you have to take back power, take back control of your life. You are the Empress. You really don't need anyone, Cancer. You may feel that you may want them, but do you really need them? Ask yourself this question. Do you really, because you on your own are, I think, very abundant. You are the giver. You are the person who takes care. You are the one who has security, who has the abundance. You should demand something in your life which can give you equal give and take, which can give you emotional satisfaction, which can give you the security and happiness that you are able to provide for them. They should be able to provide it for you. And if that doesn't happen, Cancer, Spirit is saying maybe it's time for you to walk away from this connection. Okay, so let's just take some clarifiers for this. The Empress, why is that as an advice for Cancer, Spirit? Yes, Spirit is saying it's time to remove those 10 ugly swords that somebody has betrayed you with. It's time now to remove them, let them slide off your back, because you really don't need anyone anymore. You're already in a position of power now, Cancer. Six of Pentacles as advice. Spirit saying drop them. Drop anything that doesn't serve you anymore. Anything that's not going to bring you equal give and take, Cancer. It's time for you to drop the fight totally. 10 of Cups as advice for Cancer. Yes, you should look out now, Cancer, for somebody who is on your level, who can bring you emotional satisfaction, financial satisfaction, overall a person who can match you and who can be as loving and giving and can take care of their responsibilities. That's what's going to bring you happiness here. Four of Wands, Spirit. Four of Wands. Yes, Spirit is saying it's time not to invest anymore with anyone who doesn't put in enough work to bring you stability. If somebody is not putting in the investment to bring you stability, it's time for you to walk away from this person, Cancer. Let's see this. Eight of Cups, Spirit. What is Cancer supposed to walk away from? It's time to make a choice, Cancer. It's time to make a choice for the betterment of your life. What makes you feel good and what doesn't, and walk away from whatever doesn't. Yes, anything that is toxic around you, which is bringing toxicity or an attachment which is unhealthy, any immature person around you who fights with you or creates mischief around you or is harsh with their communication, Cancer, it's time for you now to make that decision to walk away. Okay, so that's the advice for you, Cancer. It won't be, of course, for every Cancer out there, but whoever it resonates for needed to hear this. Just leave me a thumbs up. Let me know how many it's resonating with. But this is a very clear message of somebody needing to leave behind somebody who is no longer good for them, right? Because it's not that they may make you feel that you require them. Okay, but Spirit is saying you are the Empress. You are the person who is fertile. You are the person who can take care of not just yourself but everybody around you, and you deserve somebody who is equal to you. Okay, so love and light. Take care, Cancer. Take care. Namaste.